Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 32 Questions with Jamaica Observer. And today, as you know, another special guest, and we're just going to allow him to tell you who he is.
Fully. DJ Antsman. From Inch Entertainment, you know?
Alright, before we go into the questions, we wanted to tell us where we can find you on social media.
Alright, so for all social media handles, it's DJ Antsman _1. That's DJ ANTSMAN _1.
Alright, we're going straight into the questions now, because we're getting these out of the way and then you guys know it's the hot seat.
Yeah.
So the first question is, what did you want to be when you were growing up?
A DJ.
All of your life? Nothing else?
From a band.
Alright. So how did you come to the conclusion that a 9 to 5 was not for you?
Spending almost 3-4 years in school, and when I realized that you just can't ask mom to buy your clocks again. You start get old, so you need to try to do something for yourself now. You know? Not to say that mom's never did what she did, you know, but at the end of the day, she always want you to grow the courage to be your own man. So we learned that from, you know, at the age.
Yeah. What about the day when you decided you want to be a DJ? Or tell us why you wanted to be a DJ.
I really wanted to be a DJ because I'm genuinely an entertainer. You know, DJs are the best entertainers, and I love music. So, yeah, I don't have no other really occupation for somebody who love music. Them always say, do what you love.
And yeah,
if you always pick a job where you love, or you know, doing something where you always have to enjoy.
So it won't work a day in your life.
So it's not really working, it's just you
enjoying
being you.
Want to make money. Alright, tell us about your first booking. And them call and say, yo, Antsman. Man, do you remember?
Yo. One day, I can't pass on them. I don't remember my first booking, honestly. Too much. Jay, do you remember the first booking you get for me? That's impossible. You get about 300 or so. About 500 something. You remember the first booking? That sounds like a calculator.
Alright, tell us about your favorite then. Your best experience.
One of my favorite, most memorable experience as a DJ is Red Bull Culture Clash for sure. Just being able to represent Amnesia Entertainment on the highest platform in the world as a DJ and actually coming out victorious in the round that I represented in was actually one of the most memorable moments I can ever remember. And that was like, not really a party, but an event, if you get what I say.
What are 3 must-haves for a DJ? Make sure it's a party enjoyable for the patrons. 3 things you have to have.
The DJ have to have vibes. You have to have good transitions. And just genuinely have to enjoy yourself as a DJ because people always take your energy.
Yeah.
So if you stand up, people are going to stand up. And if you dance and vibe, then trust me, you're going to see people run up and down.
Alright, what are 3 things you miss about parties pre-COVID?
The girls, them. A joke. Not only that, but just the whole vibe, you know? Networking and seeing new people every day and just entertaining people. That's what I miss the most. The entertainment and the music.
Alright now, so you're at a party and you're DJ, your turn to go. What is running through your mind? Like, what is the experience like? You see people are dancing, you know, say, yo, I'm here for make them dance or whatever. So, what is going through your head at that time? How you feel?
Them need for up and make me play.
No, you reach now, you start.
Oh, so you need to start.
Yeah, you start playing now.
Yeah, I start playing the place mash up.
Yeah. So how you feel like,
Yeah, you can see it. I have a big smile on my face just talking about when I'm working. That alone can show you that even the thoughts of doing my job give me goosebumps.
Alright, what would you say is probably your greatest disappointment since you started and how you overcame it?
COVID-19, and we overcame it by becoming a man, you know, setting a foot in business ventures and moving forward with other ideas that we can use and survive.
How powerful do you think music is?
Music is a very powerful tool in every aspect. It could be work, school, leisure, just Any case it may be, music is very important.
Alright, so what advice do you have to a person who probably won't become a DJ now, but the pandemic, you know, the party now keep? What you say to them?
At the end of the day, if you want to be a DJ, it's not really based off of what's going on around you. It's genuinely just you doing what you have to do, practicing, you know, spending a lot of time on your craft and things, just perfecting what you're doing, knowing music more and all of those stuff. And when the time comes for the place, open up back, just show your talent.
What can we expect from you in the future?
In the future? Well, a lot of stuff. For one, I'm just start my coconut water business. Yard Jelly coconut water.
Okay, where do we find it?
Yeah, that's Yard Jelly on Instagram. YAAAE Jelly on IG. And you can follow us and DM me. You know?
Definitely. Alright, so now it's time for the hot seat. We want to see how quickly you can answer these questions. We want the first thing coming to your mind, the way you think, overthink it. But at the hot seat, observer's hot seat. Alright. Alright, so first question, what is your favorite meme?
Skip.
What's a skip? Most embarrassing thing that has ever happened to you?
Stepping on shit.
The dumbest thing that you've done to impress a female?
Pull up. Just pull up.
Just guy out.
Yeah.
And just said, I'm outside.
Yeah, I'm out the door.
Rumors you've heard about yourself. Like one dumb rumor, a silly rumor you heard about yourself.
Say me not in a sense. But that's a true still, I'm a rumor like.
Best thing you've ever spent money on?
Best? I'd say my laptop.
Worst thing you've spent money on?
That kind of weird. I feel like I make so much decisions.
You never waste the money on
I
it?
need to waste money.
Right. Favorite dancehall era?
From a band till now still.
Money or fame?
Money.
Love or money?
You have to always have a little bit of money.
You say that I really love. Situationship or stay single?
Situationship.
Morning party or day party or night party?
Night party.
Favorite sport?
Football.
River or beach?
River.
Worst restaurant experience?
No go restaurant.
Ideal date?
Probably when we got Chinese restaurant because this way, you know, more the first date when I go on a decimal on Chinese restaurant. They drink one time soup.
River or beach?
That's very romantic.
River or beach?
River, my man's on a 30.
Alright,
Yes.
So that brings us to the end of 33 questions with Jamaica Observer, and today we had DJ Antsman. We're so grateful for you to join us, and we're thankful to you guys for watching. But before we go, don't remember to follow him on all social media platforms at
DJ Antsman _1.
And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms at Jamaica Observer and subscribe to our e-paper, JamaicaObserver.com. Until next time, thanks again for tuning in.
Fully.